morning children. Hope you all are fine and safe. This video for class 2nd student, and today we are going to read second chapter, computer and calculator. Computer and calculator. Okay. So look at here and listen carefully. Children, let us study the similarities between a computer and a calculator. Children, let us study the similarities between a computer and a calculator. Okay. Computer and calculator both are used for calculation. First one is computer and calculator both are used for calculation. Second one is both are electronic device. Third one is both have a screen and a keyboard. Both have a screen and a keyboard. Fourth one is both work accurately. Both work accurately. Now calculator. Do you know? An accurate device gives us the correct answer every time. In solving 6000 into 228 divided 40 plus 7889. A man can make mistakes, but computer and calculator will never make a mistake. Therefore, they are accurate device. Okay. So look at this picture. This picture is calculator picture. Okay. The computer has more benefits than a calculator. The computer has more benefits than a calculator. So look at this picture. This picture is computer picture. Okay. So this is monitor, this is screen, this is CPU, this is keyboard, this is mouse, and this is speaker. Okay. Difference between computer and calculator. Difference between computer and calculator. Okay. कैलकुलेटर कंप्यूटर. इस साइड में कैलकुलेटर के बारे में बताया है और इस साइड में कंप्यूटर के बारे में. सो कैलकुलेटर फर्स्ट वन इज calculator has a single part. Calculator has a single part. Computer first one is computer has 4 main parts: monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboards. Calculator second one is calculator has a small screen. Computer second one is computer has a big screen. Calculator can do simple calculation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Computer third one is computer can do simple as well as difficult calculation. Computer can do simple as well as difficult calculation. It can also be used in performing bigger scientific calculation. Okay. Now calculator fourth one is calculator works fast, and computer fourth one is computer works faster and calculator. Computer works faster than calculator. Okay. Calculator fifth one is the keyboard of a calculator has only number keys like 0, 1, 2. इसमें 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and few mathematical keys. Okay. Computer fifth one is the keyboard of a computer has number keys 0, 1, 2 etc. alphabet keys A, B, C etc. and special keys control, delete and alternate etc. Okay. Other differences apart from calculation are calculator has limited memory. Calculator has limited memory. But computer has large memory and it can remember anything for many years. The computer can think like us. The computer can think like us. It can tell you what is right or what is wrong. It can tell you what is right or what is wrong. It means it can tell us from any two or more numbers. It means it can tell us from any two or more numbers 5 and 15 which is bigger and which is smaller. 5 and 15 which is bigger and which is smaller. With computers we can type letters, make drawings, create greeting cards, send messages and play games. A calculator cannot do all these above works. A calculator cannot do all these above works. Now point for review. Computer and calculator are both electronic devices that can be used for calculation. Computer and calculator are both electronic devices that can be used for calculation. Calculator and computer both have a screen and a keyboard. Calculator and computer both have a screen and a keyboard. A calculator has a single part, while computer has four main parts: CPU, monitor, mouse and keyboard. A computer can do various other jobs apart from mathematical calculation. A computer can do various other jobs apart from mathematical calculation. Now exercise work. Put a tick right in the correct box after reading the statement carefully. If the statement is applicable to both, then write both boxes. Okay? So इसमें बोला गया है, इसमें यहाँ पर स्टेटमेंट्स दी हैं, ये जिससे मैच होती है उसके आगे हमको राइट का निशान लगाना है. सो हाउ टू डू, लुक एट हियर. फर्स्ट वन, इट हैज़ अ लिमिटेड मेमोरी. तो कंप्यूटर के पास होती है लिमिटेड मेमोरी के कैलकुलेटर के पास होती है. किसके पास होती है? कैलकुलेटर के पास. सो डू लाइक दिस. इट कैन थिंक लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. इट कैन थिंक लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. कंप्यूटर. It can be used for mathematical jobs. It can be used for mathematical jobs. Both are. दोनों से हम मैथमेटिकल का वर्क कर सकते हैं. मतलब एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम दोनों से कर सकते हैं. It can print a greeting card for your friends. किससे हम ग्रीटिंग कार्ड को प्रिंट कर सकते हैं? कंप्यूटर से. Put or write. It can remember थिंग्स फॉर मैनी ईयर्स. किसको बहुत समय तक चीज़ें याद रहती है, उस पर स्टोर रहती है? कंप्यूटर. इट हैज़ अ स्मॉल स्क्रीन. स्मॉल स्क्रीन किसकी होती है? कैलकुलेटर की. इट हैज़ अल्फ़ाबेट कीज. अल्फ़ाबेट कीज किस में होती है? कंप्यूटर में. इट कैन प्ले विथ यू. हमारे साथ कैलकुलेटर खेल सकता है कि कंप्यूटर? यस, कंप्यूटर. इट इज़ द फास्टर कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस. फास्टर कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस कौन है? कंप्यूटर. यू कैन पुट इन योर पॉकेट. यू कैन पुट इन योर पॉकेट. किसको आप अपने पॉकेट में रख सकते हैं? कंप्यूटर को कि कैलकुलेटर को? कैलकुलेटर. ओके, यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. ओके. नाउ ट्रू फॉल्स. टिक राइट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट एज ट्रू एंड इनकरेक्ट एज फॉल्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अ कैलकुलेटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस used for calculation. A calculator is an electronic device used for calculation. True. Calculator and computer both have a screen. True. Calculator has four main parts while computer has a single part. False. Computer is faster than calculator. True. Keyboard of computer has only alphabet keys. Keyboard of computer has only alphabet keys. False. Okay. So question answer work we will continue our next video. Okay. And do this work in your computer book. Okay. Now that's all for today. Thank you.